US indices bleeded sharp yesterday, and the Germany40 and FTSE 100 were not left far behind. We have seen a strong correction across indices yesterday. Can we say that another crash day is going to be today? Or the bottoming is done, the traders are flushed out, and now the buyers will take the ride here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40 and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators, and we are again going to do a review before the US session, where we will see how indices behaved throughout the Asia and Europe session and what to expect with the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll begin with the US indices, followed with Germany, India, and UK. Watch. When you look at S&P's 5850, the next support zone it is hit, and it is now trying to recover. And if you notice the formation after the drop, it is retraces or consolidates. This is the next round of drop. It may consolidate here with little swings. Now 5920 on the upside, 5820 on the downside. It may create a box like this and then take a direction. This possibility is very strong. Look what's happening after the drop here. It is trying to bounce back. Now I will wait for it to trade above 5880, the first critical number, because once it trades beyond 5880, you can look forward to 5900, and beyond 5900 is where you can expect further retracement. Remember, the reversal confirmation in S&P is only and only if it now trades beyond 6000 levels, which are far above. Yes, the indicators after trading sharply bearish are now showing signs of convergence, which may call for a little retracement. But it is not that it cannot hit further lows, it can hit further lows as well. Things are getting oversold here, which is just making me a bit cautious. On the two, the observation is more or less same. 5880 is one milestone it needs to break, and then we can expect the bulls to take over. And as I discussed, this drop consolidation or retreat, you can say sideways bearish channel, another round of drop, it may trade like this in the box for a while before taking a direction. Now, before taking a direction means it needs to now trade below 5850 levels in order to confirm further drop. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish. It is not that it cannot drop further. RSI is oversold. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, see forming a tail trying to else once it breaks beyond 5880 is where you can say this is the first one, and the second forthcoming candles are going to be further green. Stochastic here is oversold, the MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI oversold. So things are getting oversold, calls for it to retrace a little. That is what is happening. Notice this, it is trying to create this channel. The highs are now far above towards 5950, 5980 levels. Beyond 6000 anyways, it's a reversal. Things are getting oversold here, that is very clear, and thus a little retracement cannot be denied. Look at the on the daily charts. First, it is outside Bollinger Bands. Second, it has already hit lower lows, trying to recover here. And once it trades beyond 5880, you can say little bullishness towards 5905 and then 5920 to be seen. If it breaks beyond 5920, we can expect a reversal. But notice what's happening. See, moving averages here have started to converge. It is also delivering lower highs, lower lows. The highs now towards 5960.80. If at all it tries to bounce back, or it may consolidate here in this zone before dropping further. Things are getting oversold, but the MACD is still having room, and the RSI is having further room. So now, considering this, first a buying entry is above 5880 levels, expect 5900, 5905, then 5922, and if it breaks, then 5940, 50. Beyond 5950, 40 and 50 is where the bullishness will increase, and then you can look forward to a further rise, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5850 levels, expect 5835, 5820, and then 5800. Below 5800, a greater correction should happen, because see, I've shared this several times in my updates. See, this is a slightly, you can say, bullish box in which it is trading. The lows here for the box are at 5800, and thus it is very important for it to trade below 5800, because below this 5700 should be seen, and if that is taken, then there is no other option but a crash is in making. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Tech 100 on the early charts consolidating here. The lows and the highs, you can see lower highs, lower lows are seen, and now it is very important for it to trade below 2450 and 400. Once these two levels are taken, specifically below 22, not 22, but 2400, we can say we are looking forward to 2200 levels, 20,200 levels. Now, right now, I can see after this series of bearish candle, it is trying to show recovery. If it trades about 2600 and 2640 levels, you can expect a further rise all the way towards 2710,720, or in fact 20,800. Things were oversold here, but also the stochastic has recovered. However, look at MACD, it is trading with extreme divergence, which indicates that it may now deliver a retracement or at least a conversion in prices, which means little bullishness might prevail. RSI definitely is staying oversold. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice after the drop, it is trading bearish. It has come down here. It may possibly try to recover a little here. And thus, it is very, very important for it to trade beyond 2600, 650 levels. Yes, oversold. Stochastic, MACD extremely bearish, RSI oversold. And on the 3-hour charts also, similar observation is seen here, where you can find out that it is trading in this channel. The highs of the channel are now about 21,000 levels. Things are definitely oversold, but it is not showing any signs of reversal. Remember, when it was overbought, then also we have not seen any signs of reversal. It was consistently trading bullish for multiple days and weeks. And then now it has turned bearish. It is moving averages have crossed over, prices are trading with divergence and staying bearish. It is possible that it can continue with this trend for a while. On the 4-hour charts, another point to note here is the diminishing bearishness with every candle, and thus a little rise cannot be denied from the current levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI. Things are definitely, I'm not touching base upon this, things are definitely oversold. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, remember it has found its base. The top here is intact, trading in this box. It has to come out of first 20,500 levels here, and that should be an indication towards 20,400, and below 20,400 more bearishness should be seen. Moving averages, see, have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Also, the prices are trading outside Bollinger Bands, which calls for a little recovery. Though I do not see it breaking beyond 21,300 levels any point of time soon, but a little retracement all the way towards 20,800 or higher levels are possible. Things are staying oversold here on the daily charts as well, but I will not confirm this as a complete reversal. So what I can recommend here is you can buy it at 2580 levels, expect 2600 levels. 2580, 600 should be a good resistance. Beyond this, you can expect 2650, and then you can expect a further stronger rise, which may take it all the towards 2710, 720, 2800. 2800 should be very good resistance. 2840, 860 should be extremely stronger one. If these levels are taken, 21,000 is a must, and if 21,000 is taken, stay bullish. Let's see which direction it takes. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 2400, or rather I'll say 2500 levels itself. Expect 2450, 2400. Any drop below 20,400 is a clear sign of further crash in making here, where we can head higher, head lower towards 20,200 and lower levels. Let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for US30. First, it is coming out of this consolidation zone, which is very, very important. It has left 43,300 levels, 43,400 zone, which was a greater support zone, and now it is coming out, means it can continue here for a while. That is pretty clear. On the upside now, see, first, which were the supports, are now going to be the resistances, which suggest 43,300, 43,400 should be an extremely strong resistance zone. Any move beyond this, and specifically any move beyond 43,600, is the confirmation of reversal. Moving averages are bearish, stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish here, and the RSI is almost at bottom on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, the formation is quite same after staying bearish, trying to bounce back. First candle, second candle might appear here, and now you can see it was trading in this box. It has to come out of this box, and then more bearishness should prevail. The stochastic oversold, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI at bottom. On the 3-hour chart, similar. And now when you see this was the first candle, I'll wait for the second one. If at all any appears, then you can see that it is turning bearish. It started on a bearish note, but now recovering. So if you see it is staying above 43,250, 260, you can buy for 43,300 and 400 levels. beyond 43,400 is there slight bullishness, and then see, now this zone was very strong because see, it is consolidated here for a while and now taken a direction. Thus, I do not expect this to reverse completely, but you have to wait and watch. You have to wait if it breaks beyond 43,500, 600, then you can confirm this is reversal. Else, it is still not a reversal. It can retrace, but then again follow the trend. Things are definitely oversold, but having further room for another round of drop here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness. Three red candles trying to bounce back. It is not yet recovered completely. The stochastic definitely is oversold, while the MACD and RSI all are trading bearish. Coming to on the daily charts, again the moving averages are convergent. The price is moved towards 20-50 period moving average. And now when you look at the movement here, see, preceding two candles comes with a dip. It is shown higher highs as well. Notice this fact, it is shown higher highs and it is shown lower lows. If you connect the span here, you can find out this is almost 800 to 900 points here, and thus the zone here at 43 400 600 will become crucial. As in how it leaves the zone on the upside, the bulls will be back, and the more it trades lower, that is if it trades below 43,000, we can expect a greater correction. Be mindful of this. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are looking downwards. So considering this, I will recommend a buy at 43,260, expect 43,300, 43 300 320 first, and then 43 380 400 second. If 400 is taken, stay bullish for 43 500 and 600 appears difficult though. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 43 160 levels. Expect 43 100 and then 43,000. If 43,000 is taken, stay short. This is another round of drop in making. 42 800 42 500 should be seen very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany. DAX on the hourly charts, again the crossover here is important. The 22 400 500 zone is crucial, and as long as now 22 400 500 is not taken, do not treat this for reversal. Also notice, see, there was a gap left here on the downside which it would like to fill, which is all the way on the downside towards 20 to 180 100 zone. And now see what's happening, it has hit 22 to 2200 zone and trying to bounce back. Notice here it is trading in this bearish channel. Lower highs, lower lows are seen. The highs now at 22 400. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI is at bottom. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour charts. Another point to note here is the lower highs, which suggest lower lows, which suggests 22,000. So let's wait the direction it takes. Things are getting slightly oversold, but yes, having further room for further correction here. Notice on the 3-hour charts, it is definitely found its top at 22,700, then 22,600, then 22,500. So every 100 points, it is creating a milestone for it. And now very important for it to trade below 22,200 in order to confirm another round of drop here. Though I can see slightly oversold zone, and thus a little recovery cannot be denied from the current levels. On the 4-hour charts, also similar observation. Bigger bearish candles are seen. However, 22,200 acting as a great support here, and stochastic is still getting oversold. Coming to daily, on the daily charts is second red candle in making. And now if you connect it here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. Now once it trades below 22,200, we can look forward to 22,000 and 21,800. And it is important to note that, see, the Germany40, after a while, because see, it's been months now since on the daily charts the moving averages have not crossed over significantly, and it has shown a very strong rise all the way from 18,000 to 22,000. So now is the time prices to trade below 20 period moving average, which suggests a strong correction in making, and specifically any drop below 22 and 21,800 should lead to 21,500 levels. Here's the indicators here. Look at the MACD crossing over here from the top, looking downwards, suggestive of more bearishness. It suggests that it may continue here for a while. RSI has dropped as well. So now I'll recommend you to sell here at 22 200 levels only, and below which you can expect 22 120 22,000, and below 22,000 is where you can expect greater correction all the way towards 21,800 levels. But right now I can see it is struggling here on the upside down. I will recommend a buying entry at 22,360, expect 22,400 420, and if 22,400 420 is taken, then you can say this is the time for DAX to show a reversal. Chances are less. Trade accordingly. Let's move to UK. See, UK 100 is starting off the day on a bearish note, and specifically it is now trading at a critical support zone. Now once it trades below 8680, you can say now we will look forward to 8660 8650 as the next support, And if that is taken, then we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Notice FTSE 100 is also forming a nice flag here. Below 8600 is where you can expect more bearishness. Stock has taken top here, while the MACD and RSI both are trading bearish. Now, before we now I will come back to the daily charts later. Look at the hourly charts here. What's happening? You can see this higher lows and higher highs are seen. This is still a bullish channel. So it is very, very important for now FTSE 100 to trade below 8680. That will confirm the next round of drop all the way towards 8650, 8660 zone. And if that is taken, that is the reversal. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. If you see the stock stick, this is oversold, while the MACD and RSI is still having further room for drop. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Notice this, and this is how it has been trading once it comes out of this, which means it has to now trade below 8680, 8650 zone in order to confirm further bearishness. The stock stick oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Look at the formation here. This is how it has been trading. Let the moving averages to converge a crossover. That will confirm the complete reversal. On the upside, greater resistance is seen at around 8780, 8800, which should not be breached at any point of time. Yes, the crossover in the MACD on the 3-hour charts is another bearish sign, which suggests that FTSE 100 might continue with this for a while. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation, nothing different, and daily charts we have already seen. And thus, I will recommend you to sell here at 8690 levels. Expect 8675, 8660, 8650. If 8650 is taken, stay short for 8620 and 8600. On the upside now, a buying entry is above 8735. Though you can buy at 8724 levels, but then 8735, 8750, this is going to be the prime resistance. If it trades above 8735.50, stay bullish for 8780, 8800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.